we dive in. This is educational content only. Liberty Trading Club is not a financial advisor. Everything you see here is for learning purposes.
Oh, that's cool. I don't know why, but no, I mean, are you on? You're on, right? Yeah,
Yep.
you're on. I
Oh
see
yeah.
you. Oh wait, whatever you did, Echo just shut
Oh,
down.
I didn't do anything. Come on. I didn't do anything at all. All right. Morning, guys. Snow. I think it was like it's gonna be cold here tomorrow. It's supposed to get down like below 50
Uh-oh.
at
How are you
night.
gonna live?
Um, did you know it's really weird? You never need it, but it's required for homes to have heaters in them or something like that. Now,
Heaters,
yeah,
heater
I'm
in the
like,
table.
seriously? Are you kidding me? You have to have a heater, and it never gets below 70.
Jeez, that's not cold.
I know.
Actually, good weather.
I want to be back, especially just a little nip back to the normal. Let's see what it said. Back to the normal. Back to the normal 76, 77 during the day by Thursday.
I wish you'd get back anywhere near that now. Here, it is cold this morning.
What's up, Disman D? It's been a long time, dude.
Alexa, stop.
There's a freeze warning.
It's freezing in here.
Is that what it says? It's a freeze
38,
warning.
30 degrees right now.
Is it
There's
really?
a freeze warning in effect. Yeah, it's like 20 overnight. It's like, God.
Wow. Okay, stretch got long. Good job, stretch. Let's do this, guys. All right.
Yeah, it's time to trade.
Yeah. All right. The noise is Paul shivering.
Yeah, it is.
Um,
Discipline D.
all right. So on the NQ here, really, guys, you should actually probably have a little bit easier pickings here on the NQ. And then the ES is starting to swing out a little bit too, so it's starting to open up a little bit. But just quick word to the wise. Stretch did a good job. Pretty much everything that I was going to say, he said. So we're going to go with what Stretch said this morning. Just a couple key levels here on the NQ. Be aware of where it came from. So you could have some decent sized swings on the NQ, but just remember that if it stays below this level down here, and that's pretty far down, but you know, call it. What did we use last week? 377. Yeah, 377. So below that, probably get back in sell territory. You stay anywhere above that, you've got to be buyers. And then look out for that 25,630, the number I was looking at earlier. That should be a little bit of a ceiling or cause some chop. So stay away from that. Other than that, should have pretty decent clean selling, obviously with a bias toward the long side on the NQ. Same for the ES. We are up across the board in trend. But keep in mind, one thing I would be caution you with here on the ES is you probably are going to see a little tighter swings, maybe a little more difficult entries than you would have on the NQ. Be aware of that all the way up to around, what did I say in my notes, 23. Yeah, that's what I was looking at earlier. So around 68.23 on the ES and 68.10. We used 68.10 actually we used 68.07, but 10 is close enough. If we stay below that 7 to 10 area, that would ignite more selling on our behalf or on our side of things on the ES. So be cautious right now. Be picky with your trades on the ES until it expands a little bit. All right, there you guys go. You do have a little resistance up here across the board with this gap and everything, so be aware of that as well. Again, that should be right around 30. What did I look at earlier? 36, 37, around there. All right, that's what we're doing. All right, let's get ready for the open. I meant to look at this too. Looks like the first touch rules are in order today across the board too.
Yeah, I was just thinking that. You were thinking I was going to go, these things are working.
Gotta start thinking that.
They're working pretty well today.
Yep. First touch rules in order as well today across the board. So 7th touch at this point rule.
Yeah, 7th touch rule.
8th touch rule. Here's what I want to see. Price action from when we came down here. Price action from when we came down here, guys. Originally, look back at this right here in this area. You got a little peak there. Some good swings. So kind of what we thought. I'd really like for it to stay above this. I don't have a lot of confidence in this area we're in, both on the NQ and the ES. I just can't convince myself that it's a long or a short area. So follow the rules, go with trend and momentum, but we did see some decent little swings there before, so probably expect to see some decent little swings here, and we might already have it. So I can't. Those of you doing the eval challenge with me, I really can't get on board with doing something with that until we get out of this little area. I mean, we could try to time a 2-direction play here, and hope it doesn't break out on us. I don't know if that's a prudent thing to do. Do you think? I don't think so. And then I don't think that's a prudent thing to do.
Yeah.
I don't. By no means do I think that's a prudent thing to do. Week.
It looks as though the NQ wants to pull back.
Well, that's what I was trying to say in the opening comments. Is
I mean,
decent. The market isn't this strong. It just doesn't show. It's like I just said. It doesn't show.
What did I say? Anyone seeing very weak?
Weak internals on the push up.
On the push up.
Yeah, it's just not.
Just overall everywhere. Just
Didn't do it with any. Didn't seem like there was any real commitment in it. So I think, and it's interesting too that we landed at the same level on the ES that's been acting like a magnet for a while for it. So I think, for me, for me to do anything in NQ, MEQ, ES, I want the ES to stay away from the area it's in right now. This is all there's to it. Anybody want to? I'll call trades for you guys if you want, but
I'm going to be cautious.
yeah, but I think that's probably smart. The smarts thing to
I've
do.
got 5 whole days to trade. I don't need to do it all in one day.
What?
I know, right? Crazy logic. But there'll never be any other trades if I don't trade right now.
No way. Then I better. Should I just start pressing buttons?
Yeah, you have to.
Okay. All right. Oh,
You have to.
okay. Let's go. Long, short, same time.
You'd be on a live stream and not trade. That would be crazy. People don't pay for that.
Nobody gonna pay for that. Ain't nobody gonna pay for that. If you're trading this, I think you're silly doing it.
You're paying the market.
You're paying the market. Have fun with that.
Well, unless you're a scalper, maybe you could be catching these little ups and downs.
Ups and little push up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Green Jeans or somebody like that might could get some money in this market.
$1,700 and 1,700 trades.
There you go. $1 a trade.
That's a way to go.
$1,699 in commission.
$1 minus commission.
What do we got? 10 seconds. Let's see what we get. Where's my gold? There.
Oh,
boom, boom, boom. Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding.
Showtime.
Like Apollo Creed. Showtime. Okay, those that are new to trading, struggling to be profitable, please wait about I don't know, maybe 6 minutes into the open here before you get all antsy-pantsy about starting to take trades. So we're gonna let price action dictate where we're gonna go with this right now. Basically, just wait for it to break out. I mean, and here's the good thing about this, guys. It's good, nice little range wedge, whatever you want to call it. That we can just wait for it to trade above or below it, and then start trading it at that point. Again, I'm gonna be cautious. I'm gonna wait. Again, maybe 6 minutes. Don't know. Again, I'm still going to be cautious on the M and Q play. I do obviously want to be looking at the ES longs here. That's about it for me. I don't know what Paul has to say though.
I don't have anything to say, to be honest with you. I'm just looking around trying to get my bearings here, but I don't see anything I like. I'm gonna wait. I'm really honestly just gonna wait. NQ will set up. It just got to give it some time. Like right now, I mean, maybe you're getting the first touches have been working. You're getting I don't know, maybe not. Never mind. Forget that idea. Again, that's why we wait.
Well, maybe wait another couple more minutes.
Where's the overnight high? Are we anywhere near it? We are, aren't we? We're over it.
Yeah, we should be right at
Are we
it.
over it? Oh no, we're right at it.
Right
Okay.
at it, yeah.
I think it's. I mean, if it breaks above this, maybe a run to 600. I don't know.
Break above would be a decent.
Run up to 600. A little. Yeah, no, it's gonna hold.
I'm assuming Stretch just now went flat on that trade. I'm assuming he did. Okay, maybe we start to look for some long term in a couple minutes.
Yeah, let's say here comes the break to 600. There it goes.
Let's see. I did say we had to stay above 23. So if this can stay above 23, and I think Stretch said 25 or something like that. I can't remember exactly what he said. Okay, so if we stay above 25 on the ES 68.25, I can be a buyer. Let's see what we had before.
I got the 90. It's gonna chop its way up there.
Let's see. Let's just see what we had here before. You're probably right.
I mean, it looks like it's. I don't know. I'm just gonna just wait.
Yeah. Yep.
You're getting a first touch pullback here, but I mean, it looks like it's trying to get up there. Maybe micros. Actually, well, micros might be a bad little trade.
That's
a long trade here as on a pullback.
I'm trying to
What do you
convince
think?
myself to do that. Yeah, it'd have to be above 20. It's got to be above 25. I mean, if it comes back down to maybe 14, I would look for a long. I'm not going to do anything in the middle here. It's not going to do it. I'm looking back at the chart and I just don't like it.
In NQ, I went ahead and jumped in micros because.
You did?
Yeah,
it's a decent play on micros.
Two micros. It's not like a big risk. I think it's trying to get its way up. It's trying to work its way up. It's going to chop its way up to 600.
I could have done 2 micros. I could have afforded 2 micros on that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I almost told you let's just do it in the tick entry and let it.
2 micros. That's what I should have done. Dang.
I mean,
well,
I wish I'd have done it in minis. That'd have been the trade. Watch this be the trade. Oh well. Well, there's my 600. Let's see if this holds. If it bends, see what it does. Come on.
All right. There was the long. Did anybody? We talked through this for about 10 minutes. Did anybody take the long?
I mean, I didn't technically call it, but I mean, I don't blame anybody for not taking it.
If nobody took it, it wasn't technically called, but we did talk through it for like 10 minutes.
That wasn't a very clean setup.
Yeah. I convinced myself that it was a good play, though. I went back and looked on the tape. The chart said yes.
Hands are on the trigger. Discipline. Double D. I'm gonna call him Double D. It's easier. Look at that. Went right up to 600 and bounced off. Is that a psychological number or what?
Yep. Sure is.
I had absolutely no technical analysis on that other than it just psychologically you want to go to 600.
26,000. Did you say 2600?
No, 600. Want to go to
Oh,
600.
600.
20, yeah,
Okay.
25,600.
New car.
26,000. Whew. I don't think we're going to get there today. Might.
I've seen crazier things. It's only 400 points.
Yeah, it's looking that way. It's looking that way, Isaac. I mean, I would be willing to try it again if it comes back there.
That's actually probably not a bad
A little
thought there.
77 long.
Well, yeah.
Not
There you guys
terrible.
go. That's probably not a bad thought process for you. I'm want to get this long on the ES on the pullback.
But I'd like to see like something, maybe an oversold stochastics.
So yeah, that's not doing it for me. All right, let me get a
We're not going to
contract
get
in
it,
here.
Isaac. All right, what are you
All
going
right,
to do it on?
I'm gonna go tick century with the micro there. I don't know.
45 and what, 7 or 10?
I think 7 contracts. I don't think I'm gonna use all 7 contracts. To be honest with you, we are above the area that I wanted to be above, so this seems like a decent play.
I've got to come back though.
I want it to come back. Well, I want it. Yeah, I think because it's done it before. I mean, I keep looking at this morning. When you go back in time, it makes some decent swings up here. So if we could get our contracts back here around 520 ish, okay, I'm convinced that's not bad. Let's see how many contracts I get there. Hey, that'll work. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the first one at the market here, so I can get one in, and then I'm gonna back these guys up to a sensible level. Try to stay in one deep on this. And then I'm going to put one down around that level we came from off the Globex, around 514. Let's just go. I want to stay one deep. That thing's lighting up green, isn't it, Paul?
Yes, it is lighting up big green. Oh, crud. It just took me out. Hit my target. I was too busy moving the entries and it took my target. Oh, well. I can do it again. Come on back.
All right, something like that. Just get these swings in. I actually probably should have one way back here, to be honest with you, just so we don't get too heavy. So I'm gonna go level to level with this. That level. Just try to grab all these little guys, and then maybe somewhere around here for that swing high. I want to be a little bit more aggressive than that. Grab these 2 contracts, hopefully. Maybe. I don't know. At least I'll be net 1. And it'd be ridiculous for this to take all these contracts out back down to 4 here. So what we were looking at earlier.
I mean, we'd have a complete reversal at that point.
Ah, that's silly. That'd be completely silly.
I would say if it comes down there, we're wrong.
Yeah. I mean, here, I love doing this.
I was going to say, what do you got left?
I love sliding it over and saying, what happened? But technically, they bought above where we're at right now. Yeah, there's some good stuff here. There's been some really good push-ups down. By no means.
I needed to come back down a little bit so I can get in. It took my target.
That's why I pulled my. So by no means do I think this is a bad thought. It's about to get mine too. You stay away from that target price. And one whole contract. All right. It's kind of when we get a pullback here for an ES trade. I think if you get back to, let's look at this. was going to look at the 15-minute chart earlier. So you get back to, I don't know if that's going to happen. Get back to somewhere around 552. That would be a good buy area. 25.5. I think Megan was talking about 580 something around here last week.
What time is it? 9:42.
I think Megan had a thought to buy around that 580 level. I'm pretty sure she did. So that'd be a thought. So hopefully maybe you get pushed back down to around 580. Maybe.
Even if come pull back to this first touch line,
Trying to give you some hope here, buddy.
gotta give you some hopium.
Yes.
Patience. Yes.
What's that?
I was just reading what he says. Patience. Yeah, we need patience. All right. This is one of those markets.
Patience.
I needed to come back a little bit so I can get in with you. Just come on back. Take that second target of his, or second contract. Let me in. Open the door. Let me in. Get me back to that first touch line. I'll jump in.
There was the long right there.
Come on back.
ES gave the long already, guys. And I was sitting here blundering around. Dang. Well, that's what I wanted to have happen. Did anybody get it? That was long. Sorry about that, guys.
Jeez. That thing's not going to come back.
All right. Move my target out of the way on this guy.
Should I chase it up here?
Like I was saying earlier, if you're at a key level right now on the NQ. ES, Larry got the long. Good job, guys. I got a couple people long. ES on the ES I know of at least 3. At least 3.5 people are. I was just trying to figure out if I want to add another contract before this takes off on me. Let me okay, push back down. There you go.
There we go.
Maybe we get a little push down for you. For yes. That's all you can get. That one a little push down. Well, so I know there's an area up here around 43. On the ES. Let's see where this NQ might go. So probably 43-ish you could get to on the ES. And maybe I mean, I did say 25,630 earlier. So this should be an interesting area here on the NQ. Yeah, pretty close to, well, the area that just got completely rejected when we got down here last week around, I don't know, 670-ish, right around 670-ish. So pretty close to where we're at right now. Something about like that. Now watch it go hit my target to the tick and turn around. Well, guys, anybody that got in long on the ES, just stay in it for now. You should have a little bit of trying to knock on the ceiling here and bust through. So you should have it. Oh, there you go. See, look at me, impeccable timing. Pretty good timing, wasn't it, Paul?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Let's see here. Guess I could look at an exact number on the NQ.
Come on back down now.
Oh, you guys trying to find a place to get long, huh?
Yeah. I don't.
Get an exact number here for y'all. Well, we've had every bit of two trade
Now
setups
we
this
got a
morning.
lower high here. I don't know.
3 whole trade setups this morning. Oh, look at that. 3 whole trade setups this morning on the ES. That's it. You guys seeing that? Hey, easy on that. Easy on that trigger finger, everybody. Easy on that trigger finger. And then, since we got some skin in the game here on the M&Q, this probably wouldn't be a bad spot to look for another long signal here, guys. I know that jump came out of seemingly out of blue, but I don't think it would be horrible. There you go. Get your longs on. I want the ES to be a little bit more structured than that was.
I'm in now.
The NQ did a little bit better than the.
Came right back to my money line. Told you I'd get in with you.
That was good. You did it. Very, very, very happy for you. What was I doing? We're talking about. I'm just being facetious.
Yeah, be careful, Highland. Don't be just pushing buttons.
No trigger.
Just wait. You're gonna get some clean sets. I mean, you could have got in right off the money line.
We did.
Doesn't look like it's gonna give me more than that, but I'll see.
Maybe get a little ad here.
I think we're gonna get the pullback now. We're getting the lower highs, so if you're trading manually, just let this thing come down.
Yeah,
maybe down to that 77 would be a nice entry long.
I like that spot too on this one.
To 577, excuse me.
577
long. If it comes down there, would be a nice entry.
I think that would be the ideal entry.
In fact,
you got some good trades back down here around. Oh yeah, we did. We ran this with a long bias that one morning. In the same area too, guys. All right, isn't it good that you look back? No, I have lots of confidence in this. So come down and get me another contract.
May not quite get down there though. Look at your stochastic starting to hook. The only thing is that 89 that money line starting to come down. Not super stoked about that.
Have to a little bit to get down to the price you'd want to get the best contracts at.
The 77, if you're not in anything right, if you're not in this long now, wait till it comes down a little bit lower. You're gonna get your shot.
One opportunity. Yes, I'm gonna try to take this long. Let's see how that works for me. It's from the area I wanted to come from. I mean, that's pretty much everything I wanted to see in it.
Go without us. Look at that.
Go on, get on. Thank you.
Gonna go without us.
All right, targets off. There's your ES trade. Brought to you by Spandex.
By what?
I don't know. I said Spandex.
Spanx. Oh, Spanx.
I keep my Golden Corral pair in the back seat of the car.
Gold prop pair of what? Spanx?
Spandex, yeah.
Spandex?
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a look I don't want to see.
Wait, because
Brian and
eating too
spandex. Just some things in life shouldn't be allowed.
All right. This time is gonna get bad. Let's go somewhere else. Talk about this trading thing.
Oof.
Oh man, Grace is here. You learn how to call longs. Learn how to call longs, will you?
Be careful with this 600 here. If it breaks and hold, I'm getting a little bit.
Yep, flat. All right.
I think,
Might have me a little worried about that one too.
yeah, you might want to take your profit only
It's,
because if it stays below the 600, we're gonna.
I did
mean,
say that 636. I said that 636 was my actual number
I mean,
this morning as well.
577. If you guys want to try to, we could get a bounce. I don't see this thing jumping back up there again, but
Okay, I'm looking at the last sentence of my plan this morning. It says, however, if price stays below 25,630, there may be some good sell opportunity. Oh,
and it did. So
I don't know.
we might want to change what we're thinking here.
Thanks for reminding me of my plan there, Paul. That's right there. I'm glad we did that because we should probably think about that now, shouldn't we? There was a reason I did that. Let me do this one more time with this MQ. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna take this whole little swath. Let's do something just way out there. This is gonna be crazy. Don't call me crazy though.
Surely you're not crazy. He's not crazy, and don't call him. Don't call me Shirley.
Hold on. I don't know. Let's see where we're gonna get. You guys think this could actually be done? Is this real stuff? Is this guy? Can you take this guy serious when it comes to trading?
Oh,
What?
wait. I
Holy
thought
cow! Look at that.
Hugo's birthday was
Oh no! What?
was yesterday.
What?
Oh yeah, everybody's got. Let's all wish Hugo a happy birthday.
Oh no!
Happy birthday, Hugo.
Happy birthday, Hugo! Oh, look at that.
The man who keeps these wheels greased and running. Yeah, Blake Lively. She's married to Jesse Itzler. Yeah, she sold it for. I mean, trust me. I mean, her husband's a billionaire too, so it's not like they're not hurting for money. Well,
Huh.
I actually have met him. He's a pretty interesting dude. We did a
Yeah, I
game
think we have.
hangout
I
together.
think we have our plan. Run this thing two directions. Still have to have that bias to the long side. Oh man, I should have stayed in that.
Oh wow. Oh, oops. Okay.
Well, I just went back and looked at price, and it kind of said, yeah, they want to buy it from here. Oh well. Oh well. There'll never be another one. Okay, that makes me feel comfortable that I could probably look back at the long again on the ES here. I think we'd really want to see. I think we'd really want to see them push it down to this. Well, we wanted to stay above 10 or below 10, so why wouldn't we want to go to 10? Right? Maybe get somewhere down here. Just let this meander its way down here. Lull everybody else to sleep, and we'll just buy it right from there. So I don't know. Maybe, huh?
I got 67.95 as an area of interest for me. Is that too low?
No, that would be a good area to buy from.
I have six 90 to 95 is an area
that's
where I would
pretty
be
good.
all over it.
And you look back at that little
All
gap
over it.
on the Globex.
Mm-hmm.
It stopped exactly right at that 95 level. So I think that'd be a really good level.
Oh, look
Yeah,
at this.
anything above-
You go without us. Dang it.
Is it?
Yes.
Womp, womp, womp.
It didn't get back to that
So
77 like I wanted.
There's your trade on the ES. It's not going to come back there, but that'd be it. That'd be what I want. The only other thing you can do, guys, at this point, if you didn't get in back here, is wait for it to push out and come back and retest it and get in on the retest. That'd be about it.
Oh, I don't want to chase, but this thing's gonna go. NQ's just ugh. All right. Don't chase it. Don't chase it, people. Just
let's take a look. I still think we got the good bias to the long side.
we definitely got the bias for the long side.
Well, I went back and looked at what happened too, and I was like, I kind of still have to have that long bias. Should have I should have did that before.
9:50. We're at the top here. What time is it? 9:58. Let's wait and see if this Crable sets up for a break.
The Crabell.
We got another minute.
Oh yeah, you could do a Crable too.
Yeah, we're right at the top here, and it's setting up. I just.
All right, where's the
6:04? Can Hugo get hold of you today? I'm sure he can. Tim, just reach out to him in the chat bubble. Isaac, you long at 6:04? Nice call if you got that. Oh, sweet, man. I was looking for it to come back a little bit further. I would rather be patient and miss the trade than chase something or FOMO into anything. So sometimes I miss them, but I'm okay with it.
I think I'd look at a Crable here on the ES. I think that would be fun. That'd be fun, right?
Let's see what happens here. It's 10 o'clock now, or it's coming up.
What'd you say?
I said, let's see what happens here at 10 o'clock.
The bottom off the exact retracement.
I'm probably going to try this 26 here.
Yeah.
Right off the money line, first touch. This in another account.
You heard him. Money line, first touch, 26 long. I'm actually going to try to I want to get a little bit lower, but I'm going to turn this back on in the MNQ. I'm going to adjust my, never mind. All right, I got one in.
Oh, that was quick. Bounced right off 26. Took my first target in a split second. Come on now. All right, free trade.
I'll get some contracts back here.
Everybody, who else got that? Anybody?
Trade announced.
Please tell me you guys got that. Somebody got it.
Then I actually want these a little deeper, so I'm gonna put some 2 contracts back down here around this level around.
All right, well, $150 scalp looks. No, maybe not. Maybe not. There we go.
Yep, that'd be about right for me.
I think you're okay off this money line here, Isaac. I really do think it's going to. I mean, it's a free trade right now at this point, so I don't care. There we go.
Let's see if I can get this long on the ES here. That's probably a decent one.
Anybody long in Q? Anybody in here long in Q? Either ticks entry or the manual call. I just said one of the two. Nobody? Guess it's just me and you, Brian.
Just us.
Okay.
All right.
Easy to trade if I don't have to call trades for anybody else. I can just
Yeah.
do my thing. Yeah, in Highland. All right. Good job. Who was it I was talking to? Steven? What was it? The person with somebody I was talking to. That was a perfect setup. Came right down from that 650 right down to push right down to that 70, 26 and bounce. Kevin, you're in it. Good job. No warm and fuzzies. All right. Warm and fuzzies are fair. That's good. That's a good way to trade.
With the warm fuzzies?
The warm and fuzzies.
Oh yeah. All right.
I'm picking on him. Isaac's the master of technical analysis, so I can
He's
say
good.
that. To him. I can say that to him.
All right. I got
I still think you're okay here on this 26. I think it's trying.
oh wait, Mullet Mania. What's up, buddy?
All right, good job, Mullet. All right, so some of you got it.
Yeah, you can get a couple attempts at this one there.
I'm still, yeah. I mean, you could have got back in again. I'm still holding my other contract. It's not going to work. As I say that, what do I know? Never mind.
All signs point to yes. Yes. I can't stop doing this enough, guys. Just look. Look, you're in it. You're scaled into it already. Just go back and look, see what price did last time it was here. That's all you gotta do. I'm not joking about this. It's pretty much that simple.
I left my stop back because I just let's see what happens.
Pretty decent levels.
See what happens.
Gives us room for the run up. Pretty decent.
There we go. Okay, you got another shot at it if anybody got in when it came back down. Telling you. Hold on to it. She's trying to break.
Really good levels. And it ran up twice.
Ugh, just doesn't want to do it.
What?
Yeah, if you're scared, you could tighten up here if you want to lock in a little profit. If you don't want to hold it back, there we go.
I'm not worried about it.
Kaboom.
I'm
Cha-ching.
not worried about it.
That's it. That's the one I waited for.
Off to
I'll
races.
break this top and keep going.
I got long on the ES. Just trying to tell you guys that was happening, but I don't know if you.
Pretty good morning for me.
Target's off. Let's see if it stays. Some people get it. Good. Okay. I mean, like Paul said, if you're worried about it, take your profits if you're worried about it.
Yeah, if you're scared, take your profits. Lock your profits up.
I'm pretty comfortable with it.
Move up your stop to. I'm at 30, but if you're scared, move it up to 35.50. But I did, in full disclosure, I got back in. I added 2 more contracts when it came back to the 26 again. So I took out those 2. Yeah, I'm sitting super green right now. I could literally put this back at the 200 and just let it run.
Oh, I should put another contract up.
I did. I added more when it came back again. I told you guys get another shot at it. I said, you're getting another shot at it. I said,
yeah, you sure did.
All right, Mullet, good. Did you add more when it came back in again? When I said you get another shot at it? Or was that confusing?
It's probably a little much.
Was that confusing?
Probably a little bit. I mean, I don't know. For somebody who knows what they're doing, maybe not. But somebody who's newer, I would think that would maybe.
All right. Well, my apologies. I probably should have been clear with that. What I meant was if you're not in it, you're getting another shot to get in. If you're in it, you could add here.
I was trying to figure out what the heck that was for.
What is this?
What is
fruit porn? What are you doing?
That's what I was trying to figure out too. Oh.
All right. Good job, Steve. Good.
Explained well.
Explained well. Thanks, Dan. I'm trying really hard to be clear with with the entries, guys, so you
Cool.
guys aren't confused. We're really, Brian and I are both trying, if you haven't noticed, trying to be really clear and really upfront and giving you as much warning as we can. I mean, obviously it's hard with the NQ, right? But move your stop up now to, I mean, I don't know I mean,
A stop.
if you're
You in on the anybody in on the ES with me?
35 and a quarter, if you're wanting to tighten up your stop, if you're in prop, maybe. See, the problem is you're going to have to give this some room.
It's just maybe 29 max.
Yeah, 29. I mean,
It's up.
maybe if you want your profits, it's a nice trade. I mean, $700 trade, so it's not.
I'm gonna leave my ES stop tucked back here at like 28.50, 68, 28.50. Just leave it there.
Shoot, I got some more. I got more accounts to trade. I'm here yapping away, and I got to get through my accounts. Let's look at.
I got an idea for you. MNQ long.
I am long. I'm long in the 6th century. That account. That's just going. That's just running. And then I'm long in my.
Look like.
I'm long in
my
funded futures. Two of my funded futures and many.
See, Paul, Mullet Mania. Kickstart the right conversation with this
right now. What does the next trade look like? Love it.
Mook, what is my next?
What is the next trade? All right, for those people that are flat right now,
trade looks like. Just messing with Mullet Mania. What do you got, Paul?
For me right now, if I was not in this trade, oof, I don't like that it's chopping up, making lower lows. I probably would tell you need to sit on your hands for right now. And Q.
Beyond that, I have two ideas because I looked in the past and I can now see into the future.
I mean, if I follow my rules, this is a long bounce here again, but I'm not super stoked on that. That's not an A+ setup. If I follow my rules, I would have to take. It is holding that 89 though, guys. Look at that 89.
I know. So this is what I would look at if it were me. I would probably look to want to see, and again, this is what I saw in the past when I drew that little thing out on the chart. Was anybody watching when I drew out the current price action to get an idea of future price action, which is why I'm extremely confident in the long here? Did anybody see that part of this? Okay, brain. Thank you for telling me I have a huge brain. Mullet Mania. You missed it, Megan? Oh man.
You missed the I mean, I have a target up around 75, 77 area. So do we get up there? I don't know. But I'm going to hold this trade. I'm going to hold this trade to get up there, and that'll be a pretty decent trade at that point. I'll be done for.
All right.
Here we go.
It's going. Don't worry about that.
So the 89 would have worked again, but I just was scared to call that guy.
I'm pretty confident in the long. Here's why I'm really confident in the long. Because price was at one time about a year ago, price was back down here.
Oh, the long's away.
Okay.
Like I said, 75, 77 is your target.
And yours truly drew something like this. And this. And this. And a nice little question mark right here. He did do that, right? It doesn't work to do stuff like this. I'm just saying. And then we went back in time. Don't take my target while I'm doing this market. To see if there's any chance something like this could have happened when price got here in the past. Well, what do we see? Stuff like this happened. Now, that's sold. That one. Don't worry about that one. Don't worry about that little guy. That one that's sold. Everything else bought from here, guys. Everything else bought from here. Everything. They were even trying to buy it back here. Look at this. And I'll give you some more confidence. Oh, I didn't have enough. I don't have enough. I did it on the NQ. I don't have enough days loaded, but there's another one back here that actually almost hits this drawing to a T and pushes up. Almost to a T.
819, 819, 873.
So there you go. This is where my confidence comes from. In the past, it just did just that, and it broke the swing high too. When it broke the swing high in the past, it continued up. Hey, okay. No, again, does it have to do it this time? No, I'm just saying that's where my confidence comes from.
It's going up.
There's a lot of stuff behind this. Sorry, go ahead.
No, I was just going to say if you're still in this trade and you're in an area where you can I would just attach it to that 200 and let it give it some room. But because this can go up. It's got a ways to go.
It does.
It did hold up here though. It's got a ways to go. Now you got to ask yourself, would you take this either this 89 here, the money line long now basically, or would you want it to come back down to say that 626 area?
Be scary if the money line didn't hold.
That's the only, but still, I just think it's a pullback.
It's not that big of a deal. Yeah,
I think look left. You got some strong support right there at literally right at what is this 1920 area?
Okay, yeah, that's at 25, 6, 27, 26 long.
I mean, but if it comes down there, you're probably gonna take a little heat because it can come down to you got that level there to the left. Look left, you can see it's pretty obvious.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So, you know what? I'm gonna let it. Here's an idea. Here's an idea. Let it go through and catch it on the way back up through.
There you go.
There's a thought.
Novel idea. Novel, I tell you. Novel.
Stop on the way through.
Like somewhere around here. Actually, I think I'll try to add a contract there too. Yes.
Let it come through.
Try to add a contract.
Let it come through. You could take it right here, but I would let it come through and then catch it back on the way back up through. There you go. There you go. Come on. Boom. Target's off. Anybody do that? That I couldn't have been any clearer on, I hope.
Nice call. That was it. That was easy button. All right, guys.
Why not 20? Why not 596? 25 for the long. Well, I mean, yeah, if it comes all the way down there, but I like that 626, but I wasn't sold on it. That's why I said let it break through and decide if it's going to keep going down there or if it's going to reverse back up. That's why I said catch it on the way back up through. Thank you, Kevin. Now hold on to it. Don't choke this thing out. See if it'll go up. You should have target off anyway, so you should be in a free trade right now.
Quick note before we dive in. This is educational content only. Liberty Trading Club is not a financial advisor. Everything you see here is for learning purposes only. Remember, trading involves risk, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So always do your own research and trade wisely.